Hi, I'm Kevin Jarvis, former airline pilot turned permaculturist, PhD in ecopsychology, father to Frida, Axel, and Anton. In Transylvania's misty hills, the Earthway regenerates soil, hearts, and communities. Earth care, mycelium thriving, people care, laughter like Frida's, fair share, abundance for 7 generations. This restored Saxon haven, veranda gatherings, kale, gin, cheese, faces shadows. Theft and legal battles drain resources amid custody and property rights. Funds will cover 26,700 euros, plus in lawyer fees, plus court costs, and further renovations to keep it alive. Frida's stability, unseen grandkids' healthy soil. Join the weave. Every donation stewards long-term healing. Mitakuye Oyasin, all my relations. Thank you.